back, my friends, to another work from home job lead video. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel, we share the best work from home job leads available daily. And for today's job lead, I have the rideshare company Lyft is hiring a claims specialist. So they are looking to add a claims operations specialist to their growing risk solutions team. The operations specialist position is an integral role assisting with the processing of claims and responding to inquiries to expedite the handling of claims. So you will support risk solutions, safety, transit, bike, scooters, express drive, legal, Lyft rentals, and finance regarding all aspects of their insurance claims. You'll gather investigative material and general support to assist the claims adjusters and internal claims advocates. You'll create initial loss reports and assist with the overall damage processing for Lyft rentals. You'll respond to customer inquiries relating to claims and damage. You'll coordinate with cross-functional teams regarding the claims processing system, and you'll manage and coordinate the next steps for accidents, including missing claim searches, coverage positions, and adjuster contacts. You'll also assist with any special projects, including auditing and data reconciliation. So this is mostly a non-phone job. You will be doing research for accident claims where people are trying to say things got damaged and they're trying to claim the insurance benefits. This does require 2 years of experience handling or solving customer support issues. So 2 years of customer support experience. They ask that you be empathetic and sensitive to their community and customers while executing your assigned task. You need to operate with high standards and great judgment. You need to have excellent listening, communication, and verbal and written communication skills, and the ability to multitask and prioritize assignments. Now, they do offer benefits, including medical, dental, vision. They offer 401k plans and paid time off. It also says that you get exclusive opportunity to test new benefits of their rideshare program. And they do list for people living in Colorado. The pay range is anywhere from $22 to $27 an hour. They do not list the pay range for the other states, but just know it's based on experience and also location. But this job does pay up to $27 an hour. This is remote for the United States only, and they do exclude some states, including Alabama, Arkansas, Delaware, Iowa, Kansas, Maine, Mississippi, Nebraska, New Hampshire, North Dakota, Oklahoma, South Dakota, West Virginia, Wyoming, and Puerto Rico. So they do exclude quite a few states, but if you live in any other state in the United States, this job is available for you. Just a little disclaimer, I do not work for these companies. I simply share the opportunities that I find online in hopes that it is helpful to someone. But with that being said, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you have anything specific you're looking for, leave it in the comments. I always read the comments and keep those things in mind when I am searching for job leads. And I'll be back very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.